What's up guys, this is me, Lemikael, and this is my first video in Arise Crossover and also in YouTube. I hope you like it. So the Pernal Castle is spawned, so I'm going. So the boss in 30 is Song Jinwoo, aka in Arise Monarch. So I try to get this and I'm using rank up luck. And I hope I get Monarch. And we don't get it. Then floor 31, after that floor 32, after that floor 33, and after that floor 34 and 35. Yes. And the boss is Gucci. Oops, I'm sorry guys because my CP is too lag. This is a low device and I hope I get a new one. And floor 36, 37, after that. Oh, I have a quiz and I should claim this, but I should finish all. That and floor 38, floor 38. Oops, I'm gonna show you my damage DMS, my shadow and snow. Um, 39, 39, 40. And the boss is Song Jinwoo, Monarch. So I need to use the awakening so I can get the end pass. But I didn't get it. Wow, 41 and just skip and go straight to 45, then the boss is Monarch. And the title I use here is Ant King, but I don't get, and straight to 50. And I use the Ant King so I can get the magma. And I'm checking my relic. So first, Warren Talk, Paranormal Eye, and Flicker Chris. So let's go. And get it. So let's go. And after that, I'm going to do my daily task. I need to arise a shadow 17 times. and done. And I'm going to the duel and I kill and queen it and king formation. And the Eternal Castle is spawn. So I'm going to straight on floor 30. And the boss is Saitama or Paitama. And I get it. So and floor 35 is Paitama again and I didn't get it. And 40 again, Paitama and I didn't get. And floor 45 is Narc. I hope I can get it, but I did not. And floor 50 is Magma. I hope I can get it. I hope I can get it. Oh, let's go! And that's for today's video, guys. And I hope you enjoy my video. And please leave a like and please subscribe. And see you on my next video. Bye bye.